Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ryan. You may know me as Havoc. In this one, we're gonna unbox these Slintino wireless earbuds I picked up off Amazon for a grand total of about 30 bucks. Now, I don't expect much from this because like I said, they are 30 bucks. I did buy them on Amazon, so if you're interested in picking them up after this video, I'll put a link in the description below. Let's head over to the setup, get them unboxed, and take a look. Here we have the Slintino T15 wireless earphones. Now it doesn't say that on the box anywhere. What I had to do is on Amazon where I bought them. Again, 30 bucks. I'll put the link in the description below. It said the name brand of it. Let's take a look at the outside of the box. There's literally nothing. At the back, we have just FCC information. Very bland, very plain. Just the T15 wireless earphones. Let's get these opened and unboxed. As you can see by that just falling down there, they're not really put in here very well. They rattle around a lot in the box. Let's pop this out. Let's put that up there for now. Inside the box, just a little plastic case here. We have a USB-C cable and then a owner's manual. Again, generic T15. I'm guessing there's a lot of different brands out there that have the generic T15 branded earbuds, and then they just slap their own label on it. That's actually pretty common when you're talking about monitors as well. There's only a few monitor companies in the entire world that create and make monitors, and other brands just slap their branding on it. Here is the case, USB-C on the back, FCC writing, and the model number on the bottom, with the input, the voltage, and the amperage, made in China. The case itself feels really chintzy. Like, it didn't stay open very well. Regardless, here are the earbuds inside. Looks like we have a left and a right. We have, in the middle, there's a button. That's most likely going to be to pair them. And then you could see each of the earbuds in there have a little light on them. I'm guessing that means they're charging. Let's pop this out. You can see the lid closed again on me. You can see here the green light was flashing. We'll put that aside for a second here. Here we have the earbuds themselves. There is an L and an R on the bottom of each one. Then we have the little dots right here. That's where they connect in the case for charging. At the bottom, we have a little hole here that's gonna be a microphone. Let's see if we have another microphone up top. I don't see another microphone up top here where other earbuds also have a microphone. Right here we have another little cutout here for sound, and then we have sound here on the side as well. On the side here we see the light is flashing. I think that means it's trying to pair. These are really slick, and unlike other earbuds, these are just like one size fits all. They don't have the different tips you can put on. Let's look at the right one. The right one is the same thing. It's got a microphone at the bottom, the cutout here, the cutout there for the sound. I hooked these up to my tablet and was trying to watch some Disney Plus. The sound was mediocre. One thing I will say when it comes to these, you do not have sound controls on the outside. I did not know that when I purchased these. What you do have is you basically can like double tap on the side here and it will activate either your Alexa or your Siri. On a Samsung tablet, it did the same thing. It activated the whole Dex thing, but it doesn't have volume controls. So this is really meant more for calls, picking up the phone call, double tapping again to hang up the phone call, versus really much of anything else. They don't fit really well in my ears, and like I said, these are a one size kind of fits all device here. I guess the look and the feel is probably similar to an Apple product. However, these definitely do not stack up to an Apple product. Let's go ahead and put it back inside the case. They do have the magnet feel, it pops right in there. Stick that there. One thing to note here is these do not have wireless charging. This is really all you get. These are 30 bucks. They're not great. I did not test them when it comes to do a video conference call. These were definitely a not on the buy list for me. I would not recommend these, even though they're 30 bucks. I think it's kind of a waste of money. Save your money, buy something better. I like to keep all my reviews authentic, and like I said earlier, I would not suggest buying these. I hope this helps you make a better tech buying decision. If you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you know when the next video drops, and we'll see you next time.